Welcome to English in a Minute. The hard shell around an egg is thin and delicate.
Walk on eggshells.
How is your roommate doing?
Not well. She's still pretty upset about her breakup. These days, I stay out of her way. I'm very quiet. I don't ask her to clean or pay rent.
Wow. Talk about walking on eggshells.
Seriously, it seems like no matter what I say, she starts crying.
An eggshell is delicate, and so is a situation where you must walk on them. You try hard not to anger or upset someone. You have to think about what to say and how to act. If you walk on eggshells around someone all the time, it may not be a very healthy relationship. And that's English in a Minute.